So this video is looking at intros and specifically how intros go from general to specific. So students will be able to understand how to write general ideas to specific ideas in an intro. So let's get started. So again, quickly, general means broad, or another way of thinking about it, like think about this topic in the world today. What can we say about this topic in the world today? So that would be like more general. Specific is, you're arguing something. For example, the government should do this because of X, Y, and Z. This would be very specific. You're talking about a certain government, what they should do, and why. Okay, so here is a topic, and I would encourage you to pause the video and write an intro that goes from general to specific and see if you can do that. So pause the video now, and we're back. So here is a real example of one of my students that wrote for this same topic, and the question is this general to specific? So things that the student is doing, I think it gives it kind of goes into uniforms right away, and I think that's very specific and it's not very general. And then it's talking about discipline, and it's like good, and campuses require them, and kind of giving some opinions, but I think there's some things that could be better here. So this is what I would suggest. So if this same topic, I would suggest that the student think about the mother topic of this topic. So like we're talking about Gus, this is a university, uniforms, this has something to do with like rules. So I would say the mother of this would be education, right? So that'd be like the big most general you can get with this topic. Definitely other ways that you can go. You can go with discipline, rules. This is not saying that you have to go with education, but it's easy. Education, and let's make that a little bit more specific. Then we have education and uniforms, right? So we're kind of making our topic a little bit more narrow, because education all over the world is very general. Education uniforms, this is more specific. And then we're making it more specific. Education uniforms and Kuwait. And then finally, education uniforms and GUST. So let's see how that kind of plays out in a little quick example. So if we were talking about education, we could start it off by saying there are more people in college today than in the past. So again, that's just a general fact about education. Then we're going to be a little bit more specific and bringing uniforms into the topic. More people means more issues within education. Some think uniforms help with the behavior issues. So again, I'm kind of bringing in this idea of uniforms within this idea of education. Education is increasing, and with that is also increasing problems. Some say that this is uniform's solution. Next, we get a little bit more specific and say similarly. Now we're bringing it to specifically Kuwait has required all high schools to wear uniforms, and some say it may be good for universities as well. So here is bringing in some opinions, and again, I'm kind of hiding my cards in the sense that nowhere in these first few paragraphs have I said anything like, I think they should. I think they shouldn't. Uniforms are good. Uniforms are good. If I do say something, I'm bringing it as some say. So I'm bringing it as other people's opinions. Opinions differ greatly on uniforms in university. Greatly. Double words. Some argue it takes away freedoms, while others argue that it creates school pride. And then we're going to get even more specific, all things considered. GUST should not require students to wear uniforms for many reasons. So here is the most specific because we're arguing something. And just to recap and review, again, this was looking at general to specific. Try to find that mother category or mother topic, whatever topic you have. Like what can we say is like the top category, and then just work your way down and making things more specific. Hide your cards while you're doing that and give a clear thesis. I look forward to reading some of your great essays.